Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create backups, snapshots and VPS in Oracle Cloud. If you create a backup from Ampere VPS, you can use that backup in any Ampere VPS. There are a lot of benefits in this method. So, let's see what things we are going to do in this video. First we are going to see how to create a backup. Next we are going to see how to restore a backup. You need to follow subtopics of it respectively. First you need to download text file. This text file contains things needs to use in this video. You can find download link of text file in description. After you click on the download text file of script link, you can see page like this. Click on link in the page. Now scroll down and you can see download text file topic. As say in here, click on subscribe YouTube channel button and subscribe YouTube channel and come back here to downloads text file. So, let's do it. Click on subscribe YouTube channel button. Now, you are going to my YouTube channel. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. If you didn't already subscribe it, you can't download text file if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel. I don't do anything because I already subscribed. So, let's go back to that page. As say here, we can see text file button after some time because I subscribed YouTube channel. But if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, you can't see text file button. So, let's wait some time. Now you can see text file button. Click on it. Now you are going to Mediafire website. Click on download button. Text file is being downloaded now. So, let's start our video. Creating backup. I am going to create a backup of this VPS. So, log into VPS. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you have added a password, type password and press enter. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy creating screen command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Press space. Screen allows you to keep your terminal sessions running even if your SSH connection drops. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy running creating backup script command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Now script is running. This takes some time. Creating backup is successful. You can see backup file. You can use this backup file to restore this backup. Restoring backup. I am going to restore a backup that we created before, on this VPS. First let's put the backup file to this VPS. Putting backup file into VPS. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy root access command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. If you have added a password to root account, type here and press enter. Now you have administrative privileges. Now put your backup file here using any method. Downloading UEFI IPX bootloader. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy downloading UEFI IPX bootloader command. Go back to VPS. Paste copied command and press enter. Next we need to go to instance details page in this VPS. Creating console connection in instance in Oracle Cloud. This is the instance details webpage of VPS. You can create console connection to this instance from here. Usage of Oracle Cloud Console connection is remotely troubleshooting malfunctioning instances. So, let's create console connection. Scroll down. Click on Console Connection. The easiest way to access console connection is using Oracle Cloud Shell. Click on Launch Cloud Shell Connection. If you are doing this work using an Android device, please move to your computer or use a RTP connection just like me. Now console connection is ready to use. Next we are going to run UEFI IPX bootloader. Running UEFI IPX bootloader. For running UEFI IPX bootloader, you need to do is just rebooting your instance. So, scroll up. Click on Reboot button. Enable Force Reboot option. Now click on Force Reboot Instance button. Now you can see UEFI IPX bootloader is loading. Click on down arrow key to select Linux Network Installs ARM64 option. Press Enter. Choose Ubuntu option using down arrow key. Press Enter. Choose any working release. I choose Ubuntu 22.04 LTS Jammy Jellyfish. Press Enter. Click on down arrow key to choose Rescue Mode option. Press Enter. Now it is downloading the VMLA news, the initramfs, and the rootfs files. Press Enter. Fixing DNS error. There is a DNS issue in this OS. You can easily fix it. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy Fix DNS error command. Go back to console connection and paste copied command and press Enter. Running Restoring Backup script. Go to Oracle Cloud Advanced Backup.txt file. Copy Running Restoring Backup script command. Go back to console connection and paste copied command and press Enter. Now script is running. This takes some time. Restoring backup is successful. Now instance is rebooting. After reboot, you can log into your VPS. Don't forget to use SSH credentials that having in VPS when creating the backup. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Comment on video. Like and share this video.